guys, I'm back out. I got the Kraton. Mrs. Prop's gonna do some filming. I'm gonna run it on 4S first. We're gonna try to hit this big old ramp and see how she does. Oh! Woo! Goes okay on 4S. Woo! It's not so controllable in the air though on 4S. But she's ripping. Woo! Hee-hee! Ah! Hit myself with rocks! Oh yeah, Kraton is a beast. Woo! Woo! Nice. This truck just handles so good. Woo! All right. Try to hit the big one a little more speed. Oh, messed up. Try it again. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
the suspense.
Yeah. Yeah, right, I was going pretty good there. Let me go check it out. Trying to think if I can jump over the car or not. That one wouldn't have made it. It's going good on 4S. I got the car a little bit closer and I'm trying to work my way up to it. Okay, it's got the height. It's just the distance I'm curious about. So I'm just trying to practice. Oh, I basically got it over the corner there. All right, I think I can do this. I got a plan. The problem with my kicker is the angle of it, right? It's just kind of, there's no pop to it. I made it too short is the problem. But what if I got a better idea? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna jump Mrs. Propaganda on the car. Let's hope she survives. We're running on 6S now. I'm gonna take a couple little practice runs. Okay, I love you. All right, here we go. Woo! We did it! I crashed, but we did it, no problem. All right, attempt number 2. Perfect! Nailed it! Okay, listo?
It looks so close. It feels like so close.
Yeah, I could easily go over the whole car. Wow, can't believe how much it wants to wheel.
Baby, ayúdame.
I was just coming over. Well, all right, guys, it was a success. I was a little worried, but as soon as I hit 6S, the truck definitely was generating enough speed. The ramp, the big old kicker here, she's not perfect, but it did the job. And I kind of got this whole pit that you see here, this area, I did all the work in here. I cleared out all the brush, hauled in all this base and graded it and everything. It's just a storage yard, so I have access to this, so I might go ahead and build another big ramp. Mrs. Propaganda is getting her new Vortex, that's coming, so I'm gonna have to teach her how to bash, so this will probably be where I do it, and maybe build a couple other ramps. I got those other smaller ones for her, but give it up to her for putting her body at risk and letting me jump over for video. So it's a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. The Kraton was running good. I didn't break anything, so I'm super happy about that, because I did break that arm last time I was out, but it was pretty cold. But the hinge pin actually bent. It wasn't the arm that broke from the cold, so that was a little surprising. The hinge pin was tweaked pretty bad at the end, so I don't know. Everything went good today, so live to bash another day, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
See ya.
Peace.